Hi, myself Bhuvan Gupta, BTech graduate and certified data scientist with hands-on experience as junior data analyst. I specialize in cleaning the messy data, creating insightful dashboards, and transforming raw numbers into meaningful business tools. For me, data is more than just information. It's a living guide that derives the smarter decisions and fuels business growth. I'm skilled in SQL, Power Python, Power BI, and machine learning, and I'm passionate about turning insights into real action. Today, I'm excited to present my Blinkit Sales Dashboard project. This project focuses on analyzing the grocery sales and outlet performance using elastic business data, helping to identify trends, performing gaps, and strategic opportunity. Where this columns contains item fat content, indicates the whether the item is low fat or regular. Item identifier, unique ID assigned to each item. Item type, category or the type of the item sold. Outlet establishment year, year in which outlets were established. Unique ID, unique ID assigned to each outlet. Outlet location type, outlet geographical location, tier, where it contains tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Outlet size, the size classification of the outlet, where it has high, medium, small. Outlet type, in outlet type they have a grocery store, supermarket type 1, type 2, type 3, and sales of the revenue of the each item, and rating, customer ratings. And moving to dashboard, where in this dashboard provides a complete visual summary of the Blinkit grocery sales performance, customer ratings, item categories, and outlet details, and it helps management understand which outlets, item types, and location are driving revenue. And we use a key performance indicator KPI. And once again, where in this total sales are 1.20 million and average sales are 141. Number of items are 8,500 somehow, and average ratings are 4. And total sales, average rating, and number of items. Where to analyze all the same time, I created a matrix table so that I can use same time. And for that, for fat content, I use a donut chart. Item type, I use a bar chart. Fat by outlet, I use a stack bar chart. Where in this, low fat is high. Low fat is high sales compared to regular. Also, in item type, the highest revenue generating categories where the fruits and vegetables, snacks and households have a high generating a high sales. And also in fat by outlet, tier 3, tier 2, tier 1, in where the tier 3 have a highest sales compared to tier 2 and tier 1. And moving to outlet establishment, in this in this it's a line chart. In this where it shows this graph shows where in 2011 the sales are 78,000, and in 2012 their sales are 1,30,000 to till 2017 the same sales, and in 2018 the sales are 2,40,000, 2,04,000, 4,000 somehow. And in 2020 the total sales are 1,29,000, and say 2020 also same. It shows the peak in 2018 suggests the newer outlets and promotes the leads the highest sales. Where in outlet size, It contains medium, small, high, where medium has a high sales compared to small and high. In outlet location, it shows the highest sales. Tier 3 have a highest sales. In outlet type, where it contains supermarket type 1, grocery store, supermarket type 3, type 2, where the supermarket type 1 have a highest sales number of and also number of items are 5 lakh 7,000, average sales is 141, average rating is 4, invisibility is 6. Let's filter the data and let's see, and let's use tier 1. In this, where 3 lakh and total sales are in this 3 lakh 36,000, average sales are 141, and number of items are 2,388, and average sales are 4. Sorry, average rating is 4. In this in this way, the low fat and regular, where the low fat sales are high and regular sales are less. Also in this, the food snacks also have a highest sales, and see breakfast seafoods have a low sales. And in outlet establishment, you can see that 2012 to 2016 they have the same sales, and in 2018 total sales are decreased to 73. In outlet size, we can see the medium small has a higher sales compared to medium. In outlet, they have a supermarket type and grocery store have a both. In this, we can see the total sales 2,62,000 total sales, but in grocery they have a 73,000. Number of items are 1,860. It's have a to 528, but the item visibility is 0.06 and 0.11. It's have a good. And let's say in tier 3, where in tier 3 total sales are 4,72,000, average sales are 141, number of items are 3,350, average ratings are 4. And so in this also, let's see, fat content is more, low fat is more compared to regular, and also fruit snacks also are the more sellings, when in average has the 140 141 average sales, and average rating is given by 4. Where outlet establishment, in this where in 2011 sales are less, and in 2014 slightly raised, and it is similar, not change. In outlet location, T3 have 4 lakh 72 sales. Okay. In output type, where in this it contains the supermarket type 3, type 1, type 2, grocery store, and the total sales 1 lakh 30, 1 lakh 31, 1 lakh 31, 78. Compared to this, we have a less sales. Number of items 935, 920 is similar, as same as that, and average also same. And compare it to tier 1 and tier 3, and tier 3 have highest sales. And let's see in this, and tier 1 medium. In this way, total in medium, in outlet location, outlet size we chosen medium. In that, where 1,30,000 total sales, average sales are 140, average sales are 140, number of items are 930, average rating is 4. Also fat content is low fat, sales are high. Also item type, where the snacks, fruits also have a high sales. And in this outlet establishment, where 1,30,000 in 2012, 1,30,000 sales are have. Outlet location tier 1,30,000 sales total sales. In small where 2 lakh 5,000 sales and average rating is 4, average sales are 141. In this way, total in 2016 1,32,000 sales and in 2010 totally decreased, where it contains supermarket type 1 and grocery store, where in high total sales are high in supermarket type 1, grocery stores are less. Also where I'm using tail 3, see high and item type is bread, where total sales are 4,700 and average sales are 137, average rating is 4, number of items are 35 for bread. And where in this where 2011 it's 1,436 total sales, and in 2014 3,341 sales. And in medium where total sales are 9,000 and average 141, sales are on average rating is 4, is 9,000 sales, where in this 2011 is 1 lakh, sorry, it's 1,000 in 4,500, and then it slightly decreased 3,500. The 2018 is the highest sales. In small there were 1,96,000 sales. Number of items 1,000. Average sales 197. Average rating is 4. In 2011 in the small, where the outlet size small, they have a 1,96,000 sales. In this high medium small, where the small have a highest sales, compare it to high and medium. So that in this the conclusion of this stage 3 outlets are the supermarket type 1 made the most sales. Fruit, snacks and household items are the top selling products. Fruits are top selling products. I say the outlets perform the better than small and medium ones. Customer ratings are consistency good in 4, and this dashboard makes it easy to understand and compare the data. Thank you for watching.